Welcome to your mathematics class of 11th. In this video, I take a new topic, that is intersection of sets. Okay, that are based on operation on sets. In last video, we take a topic union of sets. Okay, in this video, we take intersection of sets. So, what is the definition of intersection of sets? Okay, for example, at first I take an example. If I have a set A, in the set A we have element 1, 2, 3, and here another set, that is set B. In set B elements are 2, 3 and 4. Okay, so intersection of A and B, A and B equal, what is intersection B equal, I take in set A and in set B, we have two elements are common. First is 2, 3. Here 2 and 3. Both element 2 and 3 is in set A and 2 and 3 is in set B. So I take two element 2 comma 3. So that is intersection of set A and B. So what is intersection? In intersection, we take the common element on the given set. Okay, so what is the definition of intersection of set? The intersection of set A and B, A and B. So what is the intersection of set A and B? Is a set. B is a set. Which type of set? Is the set uh, of all common element all common elements in set A and B. So what is intersection of set? Intersection of set A and B is a set of all common element in set A and B. It means आपने intersection में करना क्या है, आपको जो given set दिए होंगे उन दोनों sets के आपके common elements लेने हैं. That is intersection of sets. Okay, so the symbol of intersection, the symbol of intersection is that is intersection. The sign is intersection. Okay, clear? So that is the theoretical definition. After that I take a mathematical definition. Okay, so A intersection B. So what is A intersection B equal? A intersection B is a set of X element. A intersection B is a set of X element. So which type of X? X is the common. देखो, it means A intersection B. Intersection of set A and B is a set which have common element. Which elements are common? 2 and 3 are common. 2 and 3 are in set A and 2 and 3 are also in set B. So it means that element X is in set A and also in set B. Okay, such that X is the element of set A and X is also the element of B. So that means A intersection B is the set of X element with X element. So it means X is the element of set A and X is also the element of B. Clear? That is mathematical. And here, remember, here the word is and. In union we take or. Okay, so that is example. Clear? An intersection of A and B is A intersection B. Its representation is that is in theoretical, and in symbol we take A intersection B. Okay, after that in Venn diagram, how we represent A intersection B? Here that is a universal set. Okay, that is a universal set, that is set A and that is set B. Here is set A and here is set B. So where is the common part? Where is common part? Common part is here. Common part is here. It means that part is on set A and that part is also in set B. So the shaded area is A intersection B. Clear? Any tough? Very easy. Now pause and note down the definition of intersection of sets. Okay. After the intersection of sets, I take the property of intersection of sets. Properties of intersection of sets. Okay, so first property. So what is the property of A intersection B? Okay, first property is very important. That is A intersection B equal B intersection A. It means what is that property is called commutative property. That is called commutative property. It means आप A और B का common part निकालेंगे, A and B का common part, और यहाँ B and A का common part, so both have same common part. Okay. Now second property is A intersection B intersection C equal A intersection B intersection C. That is intersection for थ्री सेट्स. तो थ्री सेट्स का यदि आपको इंटरसेक्शन निकालना है तो आप पहले दो सेट्स का निकाल लीजिए, फिर उसका तीसरे सेट से निकाल लीजिए, और किसी भी सीक्वेंस में आप उसको ले सकते हैं. ठीक है, आपने यूनियन में भी देखा होगा. अब इसको अगर हम वेन डायग्राम में इंडिकेट करें तो देखते हैं एक बार. ओके, सो हियर इज अ यूनिवर्सल सेट. ओके, दैट इज यूनिवर्सल सेट. हियर इज सेट ए, हियर इज सेट बी, and here is set C. So where is A intersection B intersection C? Okay, so at first B intersection C. So where is B intersection C? It means that shaded part is B intersection C. Look at the shaded part. The shaded part is called B intersection C. It means common part of B and C. Okay, here is the all common element on B and C. Okay, after that B intersection C, and here is A intersection B intersection C. So it means इस common part का intersection फिर किससे लेना है? सेट A से लेना है. तो सेट A से लेंगे तो A सेट में देखो, that is set A, that area is for set A and that area is for B intersection C. तो अब देखिए A सेट और B intersection C, इस पार्ट में कॉमन पार्ट कहाँ आएगा? यहाँ पर आएगा. देखिए बीच में, that is in middle part. So it means that part is called what is A intersection B intersection C. Clear? For similarly here, look at that is universal set. That is set A, set B, and here is set C. So A intersection B. So it means that part is called A intersection B. Okay. After that, A intersection B intersection C. It means here is A intersection B, that is an intersection of this part and set C. अब देखिए इस पार्ट और सेट C में कॉमन पार्ट आपको कहाँ मिलेगा? Here. It means that part is common, क्योंकि B देखो A intersection B में भी है और सेट C में भी आया, तो यही पार्ट तो आया. So it means that part is called what is A intersection B intersection C. It means both represent same area, same part. So it means we can say that intersection of sets follow the associative property. That is called associative property. Clear? Okay. Now after that, अब इसका डायग्राम भी बना लेंगे. Okay. After that, I take its third property, that is third part is A intersection phi. What is A intersection phi? Guess. Phi is empty set. Empty set and set A में कोई common part आएगा? No common part. So that is also phi. Phi is empty set. Empty set और A set में कोई common होगा? क्योंकि A set के अंदर तो elements होंगे, but phi के अंदर तो कोई भी element नहीं होंगे. तो जब आप उनमें common part देखेंगे तो कोई भी common part नहीं आएगा. So it means that set is empty set. Okay. After that, its fourth property is A intersection A. So what is A intersection A? It means set A का itself के साथ intersection निकालना है. So what is? It means all elements are common. After that, fifth property is A intersection U. It means universal set and A में common. Look at that is universal set. That is universal set and that is set A. So it means here all elements are in set U. And here this type of line is in set A. So tell me where is the common part? So it means that is the common parts. Okay, so it means its value is also set A. Clear? So that is the property of intersection of sets. Clear? So very easy topic. Note all the property of intersection of sets. Okay. So now after that we take difference of sets. It's third operation. First operation is union of sets. Second is intersection of sets. Third is difference of sets. So what is difference of sets? Okay. So at first I write the definition. Okay. The difference of set A and B. A and B is A minus B. Is A minus B. Clear? The difference of set A and B is A minus B is a set. Is a set of all elements. Is a set of all elements which belongs to A, but not to B. That is the definition of difference of set A and B. So what is difference? The difference of set A and B is A minus B is a set of all elements which belongs to A but not to B. Okay, so what is the definition? Okay, so for understanding the definition we take a example. So I take here a example. If I have a set A, in set A we have element 1 2 3 4. Okay, and in set B we have element 2 4 6. Okay, that is in set B. So we can say that A minus B. So read the definition. The definition say set of all elements which belongs to A but not to B. तो आपने A minus B, जब आप डिफरेंस लेंगे A minus B, तो आपने ऐसे एलिमेंट्स लेने जो बिलोंग किसको करेंगे? सेट A को करेंगे, बट B को नहीं करेंगे. अब हम सेट A को बिलोंग करने वाले एलिमेंट लिखते हैं. ओके, तो 1 2 3 4 एंड हियर इज 2 4 6. तो आपने ए के अंदर के एलिमेंट्स लेने हैं, बट ऐसे एलिमेंट्स लेने जो बी में नहीं होंगे, क्योंकि हियर इज बट नॉट टू बी. सो ए के अंदर एलिमेंट 1 है बट बी के अंदर 1 नहीं है, तो इट मीन्स दैट इज फर्स्ट एलिमेंट इज 1. 2 is in set A and 2 is also in set B. So it means 2 belongs to set A and also belongs to B. So 2 को आप नहीं लिखेंगे. And in set A we have element 3, but 3 is not the element of set B. So I take 3, and here is 4, and 4 belongs to A and also 4 belongs to B. So it means we cannot take the element 4 here. Why? Because 4 belongs to B. Okay, now that is A minus B. Okay, after that similarly if you want to find B minus A, so what is B minus A? So what is B? Similarly, the difference of set B and A is B minus A is the set of all elements which belongs to B but not belongs to A. It means जब आप B minus A निकालेंगे तो एलिमेंट किसको बिलोंग करने चाहिए? B को बिलोंग करने चाहिए, है नहीं, और A को बिलोंग नहीं करेंगे. अब B के अंदर के एलिमेंट देखने, 2 बिलोंग A को भी कर रहा है, 4 बिलोंग टू A, हियर इज 6 but 6 does not belongs to set A. So we take here B, in B minus A we take 6. Clear? That is A minus B, that is B minus A. Clear? So that is the theoretical definition and that is the example. So after that I take the mathematical definition. So A minus B equal is a set of element X. A minus B, मैंने यहाँ पर A माइनस बी लिखा, आप चाहे तो B माइनस ए भी लिख सकते हैं यहाँ पर को, सेट B माइनस बी और A को लेके कर सकते हैं ना, बस A और B आगे पीछे हो जाएंगे फिर, ठीक. So A minus B have element X. So which type of element this? 1 and 3 belongs to set A. It means such that X belongs to set A, because all the elements which belongs to set A. It means A minus B is a set of X element which belongs to set A but not belongs to B, and X does not element of set B. It means इस A माइनस बी सेट के अंदर जो एलिमेंट X आएगा वो बिलोंग किसको करेगा? सेट A को करेगा, बट डज नॉट बिलोंग्स टू सेट B. Clear? That is the mathematical definition and that the theoretical definition, and that is example. After that we take the Venn diagram of A minus B. So here we have, that is universal set, that is set A and that is set B. So what is A minus B? A minus B, for finding A minus B we take all the elements which belong to set A but not belongs to B. तो it means आपने set A के अंदर का part लेना है, B वाला part को आपने हटा देना है. So it means we take this part, ये this part, because in this part all elements belongs to set A. ओके अब B के अंदर देखो ये पार्ट मैंने नहीं लिया क्योंकि ये पार्ट बिलोंग किसको भी कर रहा है? सेट B को भी तो कर रहा है. सो इट मीन्स द शेडेड पार्ट इज कॉल्ड A minus B. Okay, similarly if you want to find B minus A, so where is B minus A? That is universal set A, and here is set B, set A and set B. So how we will find B minus A? B minus A is set of all element of set B. ओके आपने B माइनस ए निकालने के लिए आप क्या करेंगे? ऑल द एलिमेंट्स विच बिलोंग टू सेट B बट नॉट बिलोंग्स टू सेट A. इट मीन्स सेट B को बिलोंग करने वाले एलिमेंट ढूंढने हैं और जो A को बिलोंग नहीं करेंगे. तो आपके ऐसे एलिमेंट्स कहाँ मिलेंगे? फ्रॉम हियर, दैट पार्ट इज कॉल्ड B माइनस A. क्लियर? दैट इज A माइनस B एंड दैट इज B माइनस A. क्लियर? सो दैट इज द डिफरेंस ऑफ सेट्स. ओके, नाउ write the definition, and here is Venn diagram. Okay, pause and note down the definitions. Okay.